was even see this. Look, I don't know if it was starting to rain. Look, people, I don't know if it was a hurricane, but actually, I hope it's not a hurricane. Like, look at the trees. Gosh, you guys must ever see that. It's starting to rain on the California forever. Well, it's like a hurricane. Well, yeah. Oh gosh. And guess what, guys? We're gonna have a special raincoat. Wow, people, look. Dude. It's oh no, wait a second. So people, so actually, it's I don't know why the hurricane is spreading to us. This was a bad idea to move here. People, I think that this was a bad idea to move here. I think so.